I think Shashank. Shashank,
Yes, sir.
we can start.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
then start.
So, yes. So, good morning to all the learners once again. As I have informed you all that today we are having this induction meeting only for certificate programs. All the learners who have taken admission in IGNOU Regional Center Mumbai for certificate program in July 2020 admission cycle, all such learners have been called today here for the induction meeting. Again, as I have already informed that we will have our regional director in charge, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, with us today for guiding all the learners for their smooth journey in IGNOU University. Before requesting sir, I once again request you all, please do not unmute your mic in between as it will affect the presentation and the smooth conduct of this session. Now, I request our regional director in charge, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, for guiding the learners.
Thank you, Shashank. Um, Good morning to all the learners who have taken the registration in the IGNO, Indira Gandhi National Open University. At outset, I congratulate you all for registering with the IGNO in the certificate program. Today, as already you got the information, today this induction meeting has been organized particularly for the certificate program students. As per the data, finalized data, we are having the students in this group: CAFE, CBS, CCP, CDM, CES, CFN, CHR, CIZ, CIT, CLIS, CLTA, CNCC, CRD, CTE, CTPM, CTS, CUL. These are the programs, certificate programs. About total 183 students have registered under these programs for this July 2020 academic cycle, of which major proportion of the students are from the certificate in food and nutrition program, certificate program in the life and thought of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Further, certificate in nutrition and child care, CNCC. These three programs are having the maximum number. After that, certificate in human rights is also having major proportion. But remaining all the students are below the 10. But however, now you have joined in the 6 months program. This your program is 6 months. July 2020 academic cycle you have joined. But however, the admission process has been taken up to the last month. September 15th, it has gone. After that, admissions in the certificate program and semester based programs, we have stopped that one. Still, due to this COVID-19, as per the government directions and the UGC guidelines, still we are conducting the admissions for the yearly programs, yearly programs till 15th October 2020. That's why the induction meetings got little delayed. We are very sorry for that one. However, I think you are all familiar with um, familiar with IGNO, Indira Gandhi National Open University. As you are aware, Indira Gandhi National Open University is a central university It was established by an act of parliament in 1985. From that period onwards, from the 1987 onwards, IGNOU is offering the programs. Now, if you see the IGNOU status, I think maybe some mic problem. Someone is. Uh, if you see the IGNOU network, we are having the vast network across the country. Across the country, we are having total 67 regional centers. That is the benefit of the students, whomever joined in the IGNOU. The main important thing students have to remember, since yours is a 6 months program, main important thing is IGNOU is the central university. It is under the Ministry of MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, now renamed as a Ministry of Education, Government of India. And the certificates, degrees, diplomas issued by the IGNOU is recognized by all the agencies in India, and even our certificate is valid in the abroad. That is very important one. Every student should remember, because of some students after completing the program, they may get the doubt whether the IGNOU issued certificate, whether it is a valid or not. But I am telling you very clearly, it is a central university under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and the certificates, degrees, diplomas issued by the IGNOU is recognized by all the nodal agencies like UGC, AICTE, and the NCTE, and All India Universities Association. That's what. No need to think about the recognition of the certificate. That is the one thing. Now you all have entered into the new system. This is the open distance learning. Now previously you are all having the experience of the conventional mode of the education. Conventional mode of the education. In the conventional mode of the education, what happens? Regular meetings with your teachers, regularly going to the your colleges, and they used to make the timetable every day, means hourly basis, and full day you should sit at the college, and full day you get the chance to interact with your teacher. But here, this is the entirely different system, where in the conventional mode, it is the teacher centric approach. Teacher centric approach means where the teacher will take care about the student. They will remind you all the things, and also they conduct everyday classes. They explain you page by page, line by line, because of the system is that is a conventional mode where the students age group is equivalent to their particular studies, and the student knowledge is also less. But here in the open distance learning, it is mostly all are the adult people के लिए this open distance learning has been started. Already you are all well experienced, you are having the knowledge, you all have joined this program to add value to your existing knowledge. That's why it is called as a self-study. Here, no need to go every day to your study center, no need to meet your teacher every day. In other way, you will be provided support services. You have to understand this one. Why I am telling it very clearly, some of the students used to send, sir, मेरा classes नहीं हो गया, ये study center classes ज़्यादा नहीं conduct करता है. That type of the queries we are receiving. हमको ये teacher नहीं मिलता है, Monday to Friday ये होना है, ये नहीं है. That's why I am telling you have to understand first the system of the open distance learning. This is the open distance learning. It is for the adult education के लिए. And in this open distance learning, generally the teacher and student are separated by physical distance. In another way, you are connected. Every day, every minute, every second, you are connected with your teacher. But physical distance you are having. That you have to remember. This is not a regular college. The wherever the study center is allotted, it is a part-time study center. They opens every week 20 working hours. That study center opens generally full day in the Sundays. Saturday half day open करता है. Overall, within this week time, 20 hours as per the university rules and regulations, 20 hours the study center opens. That you have to understand. You have to understand the procedures and the rules and regulations of this particular open distance learning. Otherwise, you will face the problem. Every time you will ask, Monday I have gone to the college KJ Somaya, ye allotted to me, ye study center nahi open hai. We have specified the timings. The timings when the study center opens. That all the details we have already uploaded in our regional center website and our Delhi website also. It is there, igno.ac.in. That is the main website. हमारा रीजनल सेंटर मुंबई का वेबसाइट rcmumbai.igno.ac.in. आप लोगों के लिए, स्टूडेंट का बेनिफिट के लिए हम वेबसाइट में एक टैब बना दिया, दैट इज द ई शिक्षा टैब. Even in our website also you have to check regularly all the updates. आपका काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल, आपका असाइनमेंट रिलेटेड, आपका प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड, आपका प्रैक्टिकल रिलेटेड, आपका एग्जामिनेशन रिलेटेड, we will upload. That's what I told. The conventional mode is the teacher centric approach, where the teacher आपको remind करता है every time. But in the open distance learning, it is the learner centric approach. Learner centric approach where the institution will provide you everything, but the student has to take care about their studies. Nobody is going to question you. Nobody is going to ask you, आप असाइनमेंट सबमिट किया, आप काउंसलिंग को अटेंड किया, आप प्रैक्टिकल अटेंड किया, आप प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट किया, ऐसा नहीं पूछता है. बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर ऑल वेल मेच्योर्ड एंड अडल्ट पॉपुलेशन. आपको मालूम है पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन हम हमारा वेबसाइट में डालता है एंड आप लोगों को ईमेल भेजता हूं, एसएमएस भेजता हूं. ये आप लोगों, you should take care. We conduct the counseling sessions, we provide you study material, we organize the counseling sessions through radio, through TV and other media, Facebook, and we conduct the practicals. Practical schedule will be informed to the students, and the project manual already we will supply to the students. इसी में डेट्स होता है, असाइनमेंट के लिए डेट्स होता है, all available in website. The student, you have to take care about that one. Further, this open distance learning is very good. Means you are all fortunate to join in the open distance learning. Because of why I am telling, it is a heterogeneous group, where even in your peer group also, it is a heterogeneous group where different ages, different age people and different experience. Maybe your peer group is working women or the housewives or the higher officials, those who are in the bureaucratic level or those who have in the teaching field, they joined. But in the conventional mode, you will not get this type of the opportunity where same age, same knowledge. Here, this is the opportunity. Through your discussions, you can improve your knowledge with your peer group. That's why I am telling, first you have to understand. First you have to understand the open distance learning. What is the open distance learning? How it runs? What are the procedures we have to follow? Whom we have to contact? When we have to contact? Where is my contact point? That once you understand, your journey in the IGNO will be comfortable. You are having only 6 months time. You are having only the programs are the 6 months. Within the 6 months, you have to do so many activities. Accordingly, you have to plan. Anyhow, some of the important program ke liye, we have prepared some PPT that also our staff is going to show. Now I am going to speak about the general things. It is applicable to all the students, those who have joined in the IGNO. It is not only particularly to the certificate in the food and nutrition or the certificate in the human rights or certificate in the business skills. Not like that. It is the general students. You have to understand you are in the big university which is having vast network, 67 regional centers across the country offering the education in about 250 programs. That's why you feel proud to be a part or to be a student of the IGNO. Now, if you see the instructional system in the IGNO, how the program delivers, that is a very important one. You have to understand. We have adopted the multimedia approach. We have adopted the multimedia approach. Multimedia approach is the consist of three important components. One is study material, that we call it as a self-learning material. And the second component is the academic counseling. Third component is the audio video packages. If you see the study material, now maybe you all students are may ask, सर अभी तक हमको स्टडी मटेरियल नहीं आया, कैसा मालूम है आपका स्टडी मटेरियल का ग्रेटनेस कैसा है, कैसा हम पढ़ना है. These all the doubts you may be having. My dear friends, I am telling you the process of dispatching the study material has already started. You may receive within 1 week or 10 days time. Because of your admission process has been stopped by September 15th. Immediately हमारा Delhi Material Production and Distribution Division Department, they have started dispatching your study material. Maybe within the 1 week or 10 days time, आपका study material, आपका घर का address को, whatever the address you have given, you will receive that material. Even you can check the status in our website also, that we are going to show you the other things. Now the study material, why I am telling the study material is a very important one. You should understand how to read the study material. That is also one of the technique you have to follow. Otherwise you cannot understand the study material. That is a very some important suggestions we made. Please follow that suggestions. Then you feel very comfortable. By reading the study material. I am telling you the study material. Is called as a self-contained material, self-learning material, self-instructional material, self-directional material. Here I told previously, it is a self-study. That means yourself. The study material itself directs you. Through that study material, self-assessment, आप कितना अंडरस्टैंड किया स्टडी मटेरियल, ये कर सकते हैं. And the study material, it will motivate you to read further. As I told previously, in the open distance mode, the teacher and student having the physical distance, but in another way you are connected every minute, every second through the study material. The study material is called as a teacher inbuilt study material. Whenever you open the study material, whenever you are reading the study material, you feel you are discussing with your teacher, Your teacher is teaching through the study material. In such a beautiful way, the study material has been prepared. But you have to follow some techniques, some guidelines. Because of हमारा study material थोड़ा bulky है, आप लोगों स्मॉल स्मॉल टेक्निक्स आप फॉलो किया तो अच्छा में आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है. If you see the study material, already you have taken suppose a certificate in food and nutrition. Maybe आपका food and nutrition में CFN 1, 2, 3, 4 होता है. That is a CFN 1, 2, 3, 4 is called as a courses. 4 courses हैं आपका प्रोग्राम में. एक कोर्स के लिए एक स्टडी मटेरियल मिलता है. ये कोर्स क्या करता है? कोर्स का स्टडी मटेरियल अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू द ब्लॉक्स. ये ब्लॉक्स डिवाइडेड इनटू द यूनिट्स फर्दर sections further subsection. The structure of the unit, if you see, बाबू शशांक क्या हुआ है? पीपीटी नहीं दिख रहा है.
सर मैं शेयर तो कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं शायद दिख नहीं रहा है. अगर दिखे तो प्लीज एक सेकंड में वापस.
No, it is not showing, I think. Okay, anyhow, that PPT, whatever is we have prepared for the benefit of the students, after this meeting, you will get through email. Now there is maybe some technical issue, is unable to present. Anyhow, is trying to present. Let if it is appears, it is okay. Otherwise, also no problem. That if you see the unit structure, you go to the unit structure के लिए. Unit structure in the study material, every unit is having its own objective. If you see the yellow marked one, check your progress. If you see, check your progress. That means it is a self-assessment. Last में होता है. If you see the letters sum up, then unit end activities, question for reflection, suggested reading references, answer to check your progress. These 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all the very important things. Further, answer to check your progress. आप अभी तक क्या पढ़ा इसी यूनिट में, you have to check yourself. That is called self-assessment. आप ये पढ़ने के बाद मुझे ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है. While going through that study material, आपका कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ क्लियर नहीं है तो ये मार्क करके रखना है. You have to mark that particular concept and keep a separate page, because of we are giving left side margin while going through the study material. Wherever you get the doubt, wherever the concept is not clear, you have to make the point there. These doubts all will be cleared during your academic counseling time. The subject expert, academic counselor, they will clear all your doubts. First thing, you have to read the study material. How one can read the study material? As I told, this is the unit structure. If you open the study material, while going through the study material, first you have to understand the objectives. Read the objectives very carefully, try to understand and elaborate it. Then go to the concept. Next line, next concept means you can go into the details. Before going into the details, you have to understand the objective and develop some broad idea. Okay, in this unit, I am going to read about the concept of the so and so. Then what is this concept and how it was developed? Who has developed this one? What it speaks? Like that, you have to develop the broad idea. Then you go to the details. While going through the details, you have to prepare your own notes. I'm telling you very clearly, in the open distance learning, nobody is going to give you any notes, even in the academic counseling session also. While going through the study material. You can see the tables, diagrams, data, other statistic tables, anything is there. Give the due importance to that one, and while going through that one, you can prepare your own notes and make it ready for your examinations. Whatever the concepts is not clear, you note, and it will be cleared at your academic counseling sessions. And the study material, now I am telling, as I have seen the some of the students are writing abhi tak humko study material nahi mila, kaisa panna hai, this all they have written. I told you very clearly, my dear learners, the study material dispatch has already started. You are going to receive, those who have opted the hard copy, the students, some of the students got the benefit of 15% concession in their fees by opting soft copy. Such type of the students will not get any hard copy, but however, the students, those who have opted hard copy, they will receive. And even though if you have opted the soft copy or the hard copy, time being, you can read the soft copy available in our e-Gyan Kosh. All the programs, all the courses, study material is available in our e-Gyan Kosh. IGNOU has developed, you go to the next slide, IGNOU has developed e-content app that is very student friendly. मोबाइल में आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, इसी में आल्सो आपका स्टडी मटेरियल मिलता है. इट इज very short, means digitalized contents available. It is very easy to read that one. You can download it from the Google Play Store, and you can keep in mobile whenever you are traveling, or even if you get the leisure time, you can read the study material. It is what I am telling, time being only. If you have already opted the hard copy, आप थोड़ा ये soft copy पढ़ सकते हैं. If you have already opted only the soft copy, no mail we are going to send. This is the link. Student himself or the herself have to click this e-Gyan Kosh link, and you have to read the soft copy and prepare your assignments. That is the very important thing. This is about the study material. Okay, this all happened due to the COVID-19. आपका स्टडी पीरियड थोड़ा एक्सटेंड हो गया, ये लास्ट डेट ये भी इसलिए. अदरवाइज यू वुड हैव गॉट नाउ इटसेल्फ यू वुड हैव गॉट द स्टडी मटेरियल, एंड आपका क्लासेस भी स्टार्ट हो चुका है ऑलरेडी इट माइट हैव स्टार्टेड. ड्यू टू दिस वन थोड़ा टाइम एक्सटेंड हो गया, बट हाउएवर IGNOU will take care about your studies. There is no need to worry about your study material or the counseling sessions. Now, next important component is the counseling sessions. We call it as the academic counseling. Academic counseling, generally it is the face-to-face interaction between the student and your teacher. As I told previously, you have been allotted particular study center where you get the these all support services facilities. We used to organize counseling sessions. This time, due to the COVID-19, there is no physical classes. We have not organized at the study center. Everything is through online. It was we got the very positive feedback from the students. Students are very happy, very much happy about the online counseling sessions, because of you can attend anywhere. There is no need to go to the study center. You can attend the counseling sessions at your home itself. Or suppose if you miss the Mumbai counseling sessions, you can attend the Hyderabad counseling sessions also, and you can attend the Delhi counseling sessions also. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has directed all the regional centers to send the counseling schedule to the Delhi. Delhi में हमारा staff, they used to compile all 67 regional centers का counseling schedule and post every day night 9 o'clock in the Facebook page. आप मुंबई में मिस हो गया तो दिल्ली का काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल tomorrow आई तो tomorrow attend करो, nobody is going to object. It is across the country, any regional center का counseling you can attend through online. बट अभी कोविड-19 सिचुएशन थोड़ा कम हो गया है, तो आपको फेस टू फेस डायरेक्ट काउंसलिंग सेशंस विल बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एट योर study center, KJ Somaya or Satya College or the Pillai College, whatever the study center you have opted. But I am telling now, present situation, we are organizing counseling sessions through online, through the Google Meet app or the Zoom app. These are the two we are taking for conducting that one. In addition to this one, IGNO, Delhi as well as the Mumbai is also organizing some of the sessions through the teleconferencing, through the web conferencing, and also we are having the 24 hours educational channel, that is the Gyan Darshan 2. Gyan Darshan 2, इसी का schedule also we are uploading in our website igno.ac.in every month का, and also हमको online radio है, that is the Gyan Dhara, online radio Gyan Dhara, that also through that one also we are काउंसलिंग द स्टूडेंट्स. हमारा फेसबुक का है, फेसबुक में ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड-19 टाइम में बहुत सेशंस ऑर्गेनाइज किया, एंड आल्सो दैट सेशंस आल्सो रिकॉर्डेड एंड इट विल बी अपलोडेड इन आवर वेबसाइट. आप अभी अटेंड करने के लिए आपको टाइम नहीं है तो बाद में आल्सो रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन आप देख सकते हैं. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आप हमारा फेसबुक को लाइक देना है, एंड हमारा दिल्ली का फेसबुक है @official IGNO, एंड हमारा मुंबई का RC Mumbai, that you have to give the like, all the notifications you will get. Nowadays what we are doing, all the updates we are posting in the Facebook and the Twitter for the benefit of the students. Different media is available, social media we are utilizing that everything. That's why in the same way this counseling schedule also we are uploading in our website. एक है how to use the counseling, अभी देखा है ये स्लाइड, इसी में हम आपको थोड़ा गाइडलाइंस दिया. डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनी टीचिंग. मैं बोला आप लोगों को पहले, while going through the study material you have to mark the concepts or other issues which are not clear to you, for which you need more clarification from the expert. Such type of the issues only will be discussed in the classroom, in the academic counseling session. ये आप लोगों don't expect any line by line, page by page teaching in our academic counseling sessions, because of it is the interactive sessions. They adapt only the discussion method. Before going to the counseling schedule, counseling session, आपका study material पढ़ना है. You have to go through your study material, and if you go without reading the study material, class में आप लोगों में ऐसा बैठना है, टीचर भी आके इनका टाइम स्पेंड करके ये जाता है. आप लोगों स्टडी मटेरियल पढ़ना है, then you should start the discussion with your academic counselor, your subject expert. Then make the classroom live, participate in the discussion. That is the thing. The study center prepare the counseling schedule. Counseling schedule study center prepare करता है. अभी हम next week से आपको काउंसलिंग भी शुरू करता हूं. अभी आज इनको स्टडी सेंटर को आपका डेटा भेजता हूं. We will ask them to prepare the counseling schedule and send to you. Maybe mostly next week से आपको क्लासेस भी स्टार्ट होता है. That is, there is no problem. This counseling schedule will be uploaded in our regional center website, as I told, rcmumbai.igno.ac.in में. ये हमारा स्टाफ इसी में है. ये स्लाइड्स में हमारा डिटेल्स हैं, इसी में होता है. आप लोगों के लिए हम एक टैब बना दिया, ई शिक्षा टैब. इसी में पूरा काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल ये भी हम अपलोड करता है. एंड स्टूडेंट कॉर्नर इज आल्सो देयर. देयर आल्सो आपका पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. आपका फेसबुक में हमारा फेसबुक में आल्सो वी विल पोस्ट द शेड्यूल. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग द कम्युनिकेशन. आप क्या करना है, आप अटेंड करना है. इसी को अटेंडेंस इज नॉट कंपलसरी. आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी क्लियरली, अटेंडेंस इज नॉट कंपलसरी. आपका टाइम आई तो आप अटेंड करना है, नहीं आई तो आपका स्टडी मटेरियल पढ़ो, आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया तो नो नीड टू अटेंड. दैट इज अप टू यू पीपल टू डिसाइड. Counseling theory, attending theory counseling sessions is not compulsory, and this counseling schedule will be uploaded in our regional center website, and the study center will inform to the students through email or SMS. आप लोगों क्या करना है, हमारा वेबसाइट देखना है, हमारा फेसबुक देखना है, आप लोगों को शेड्यूल मिलेगा, आपको टाइम आई तो आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं. Okay, that is regarding the counseling. And also next important one is this evaluation. Now you have seen already, मैं बोला आपका स्टडी मटेरियल के बारे में बोला, academic counseling sessions के बारे में बोला, and audio video, what are the other social media, how the Gyan Darshan or the Gyan Vani, interactive radio counseling sessions, और हमारा ज्ञान धारा है, and also some of the recorded versions हम हमारा वेबसाइट में अपलोड करता है. These are all the instructional system we have adopted. That's what it called as a multimedia approach, blended approach. ये प्रिंटेड मटेरियल होता है, आपको ऑडियो वीडियो कैसेट होता है, आप डायरेक्टली आपका एकेडमिक काउंसलर से बात कर सकते हैं, हमारा स्टडी सेंटर को भी बात कर सकते हैं. These are all the facilities you are having. देन आपका हमारा एवोल्यूशन सिस्टम देखा, इग्नो में कंटिन्यूस एवोल्यूशन होता है. हम फॉलो करता है क्रेडिट सिस्टम, हम फॉलो करता है क्रेडिट सिस्टम. हमारा एवोल्यूशन सिस्टम इज द ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम. दैट इज द ये क्या है, ए ग्रेड, बी ग्रेड, सी ग्रेड, डी ग्रेड होता है. इसी में पॉइंट्स भी होता है. इसी में ए ग्रेड आपको मिला 5 पॉइंट्स मिलेगा, 70% एंड अबव आपको है तो दैट इज द ए ग्रेड, दैट इज 5 पॉइंट ग्रेड. एंड द बी में आपको 55% एंड बिलो 70, बिलो 70 एंड अबव 55% इज कॉल्ड द बी ग्रेड. एंड सी ग्रेड में आपको 55% का बिलो and 45% का above. This is up to this one you should get. And the D is a satisfactory, that is only simply pass mark. 35 का above and 45 का below. आपको E grade मिला, ये आप fail हो गया. That is unsatisfactory, not completed. That is the thing. These are all called as a letter grades. We follow. We follow the credit system for this subject related issues, where the you have to suppose if you take the CFN1, maybe it is a 4 credit course. That means each credit के लिए आप 30 hours spend करना है. Study hours 30 into 4 credit 120 hours एक कोर्स के लिए आप करना है. This 120 hours including of reading your study material, writing your assignment, attending your counseling sessions, ये all पूरा include होता है. कोई नहीं असेस करता है आप 120 आवर्स आप पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा, कोई नहीं असेस करता है. आपका असेसमेंट के लिए हम ऐसा दिया. These are all the activities included in the credit. Whereas coming to the evaluation, आप मैं बोला ये लेटर ग्रेड हम फॉलो करता है. इसी में also we adapt the continuous evaluation. Continuous evaluation includes the 3 important evaluation, where the self assessment, as I told previously, at the end of the every unit check your progress, that is called as a self assessment. इसी के बाद continuous evaluation में assignment भी है. And third component is the term and examination. Assignment आप देखा, assignment is the very important component in the open distance learning. It works as a means of interaction between आपका teacher and the स्टूडेंट को इंटरेक्शन होता है. आप क्या क्या अंडरस्टैंड किया आपका स्टडी मटेरियल से एंड आपका एकेडमिक काउंसलिंग सेशन से क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया, आप पूरा असाइनमेंट में लिखता है. ये आपका एकेडमिक काउंसलर को सबमिट करता है. ये एवालुएट करके आप किसी एरिया में वीक हैं, इसी में इंप्रूव करना है, इसी कॉन्सेप्ट नॉट क्लियर है, ये इंप्रूव करना है, ऐसा आपका असाइनमेंट में ग्लोबल कमेंट्स लिख के आपको देता हूं। आप ऐसा प्रिपेयर करके एग्जामिनेशन में परफॉर्म करना है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस असाइनमेंट्स इज द इंटरैक्शन। It is an important component. It is an interaction between your teacher, your academic counselor and the student के लिए, दोनों के लिए मिडिल में ये होता है, आपका आइडियाज दोनों एक्सचेंज करता है, and you are all interacting with your academic counselor through assignments. That is related to the academic matters. And even in the system also, submission of the assignments is compulsory. Each course के लिए एक एक assignment होता है. Assignment carries 30% of the weightage. 30% of the weightage आप assignment compulsory submit करना है. आप assignment submit नहीं किया तो आपको examination को भी नहीं allow करता है. अभी इसी सेक्शन को देखा, अभी इसी सेक्शन को आप देखा, आप दिसंबर एग्जाम आपको अभी दिस मंथ इज अक्टूबर, as per the regular dates we have given 31st October 2020 is the last date for submitting the assignments of this December 2020 session. Of course, anyhow, some student is facing the difficulty, unable to complete by the October. We will give you the some more time also. There is no problem. But the deadline is the 31st October 2020. Maybe it will be extended another 15 days because of आपका admission भी late हो गया, इसलिए आपको time देता हूँ. आप लोगों को क्या करना है ना, don't wait for the extension. Now आपका admission confirm हो गया, आपका identity card मिला. Maybe some of the students are facing, they are unable to check the registration details in the website because of it is under the progress. ये पूरा student का admission होने के बाद only it will be reflect in your registration details. आपको no need to worry. अभी the students, those who have called for this induction meeting, all their admission has been confirmed. Every student has been allotted the enrollment number, study center भी दिया, आपका आइडेंटिटी कार्ड भी अवेलेबल है. आप लोगों अनेबल टू डाउनलोड द आइडेंटिटी कार्ड, आप लोगों हमको मेल भेजो rcmumbai@igno.ac.in. आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिखो, आपका प्रोग्राम लिखो. आई एम टेलिंग एनी ईमेल, whatever it may be the issue related to your studies, आप रीजनल सेंटर को मेल भेजने के टाइम में हमको 3 इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायर है. एक है आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर चाहिए, आपका प्रोग्राम कोड चाहिए, आपका नाम नहीं चाहिए, आपका स्टडी सेंटर चाहिए. दिस 3 इंफॉर्मेशन आप हमको भेजो whenever you are sending the email to the regional center. कोई स्टूडेंट को प्रॉब्लम है तो आइडेंटिटी कार्ड डाउनलोड करने के लिए ये मीटिंग होने के बाद आप लोगों मेल भेजो, हम हेल्प करता हूं. नहीं है तो अभी हमारा स्टाफ है मिस्टर शशांक, he will also give you the demo how to download. Maybe that also he will tell you from the live, he will give you. Shashank, you can give that one after this presentation. Okay, that is the important one. And आपका registration details हमारा वेबसाइट में नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, आप चेक किया तो भी it is under the process, it will take some time. You don't worry about that one, whether your registration detail available in our website or not. आपका एडमिशन कंफर्म हो गया, इसलिए आपको हम इंडक्शन मीटिंग को कॉल किया. आपका स्टडीज में कंसंट्रेट करो, रिमेनिंग एक्टिविटीज इग्नो विल टेक केयर. आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अभी आप किसी में कंसंट्रेट करना है. नेक्स्ट वीक से आपको काउंसलिंग सेशन स्टार्ट होता है. आप स्टडी मटेरियल सॉफ्ट कॉपी देखना है, हमारा ई ज्ञान कोश में पढ़ो. स्टार्ट रीडिंग ऑफ द सॉफ्ट कॉपी. आपको हार्ड कॉपी ऑप्ट किया तो थोड़ा बाद में आपको मिलेगा. मीनवाइल रीड द सॉफ्ट कॉपी. काउंसलिंग को जाने के पहले आपका स्टडी मटेरियल पढ़ो. एंड आल्सो प्रिपेयर द असाइनमेंट्स. अभी असाइनमेंट्स कंपलसरी में सबमिट करना है. आप इसी को असाइनमेंट को 30% वेटेज होता है. आपका 70% के लिए एग्जाम है, थ्योरी एग्जाम, एंड द 30% के लिए असाइनमेंट्स है। क्या असाइनमेंट्स में लिखना है, कैसा असाइनमेंट्स आई हैव टू टेक, you have to download, you show the link, the next slide जाओ मा। Assignments can be downloaded. Shashank, go to the next slide.
Yes, sir. I have gone.
Yeah,
Yes,
next, next,
let's go.
next, next. Yeah, this is the assignment link. अभी आप लोगों को कोई नहीं बोलता है, ये हमारा वेबसाइट में है। दिस थिंग, द लास्ट डेट इज द 31st अक्टूबर। ये इसी में क्या होता है ना, इफ यू क्लिक दैट वन, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। If you click this link, anyhow, we are going to show you that live demo also about the assignments. आप ये लिंक क्लिक किया तो it will take you to the another page where all the programs mention होता है, all the programs, BA, BCom, BSc, CFN or the CNCC or the CHR, ये होता है। इसी को ईयर वाइज देता है। इसी का आपका फर्स्ट पेज में, असाइनमेंट का फर्स्ट पेज में लिखता है, दिस असाइनमेंट्स आर फॉर जुलाई, जनवरी, लाइक दैट दे लिखता है। सपोज इसी में लिखा आप लोगों के लिए जनवरी 2020 स्लैश जुलाई 2020 लिखा, दैट असाइनमेंट्स यू हैव टू राइट, दैट असाइनमेंट यू हैव टू राइट। सपोज आपका असाइनमेंट में लिखा जुलाई 2020 स्लैश जनवरी 2021, दैट यू कैन राइट। आपका सेशन क्या है, जुलाई 2020, इसी को जुलाई 2020 हमारा असाइनमेंट में लिखा नहीं लिखा, यू कैन शो द CFN, दिस इज द पेज यू विल गेट। वंस यू क्लिक द लिंक यू विल गेट दिस पेज। इसी में होता है पूरा प्रोग्राम्स का है, इसी में ईच कोर्स के लिए भी आपका असाइनमेंट होता है। ये सेम करेक्ट, आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी क्लियरली, आप करंट सेशन का असाइनमेंट देखना है। इसी में होता है प्रीवियस ईयर्स का होता है, प्रीवियस सेशन का। आप देखो, दिस इज अ CFN असाइनमेंट्स फॉर जनवरी जुलाई 2020। आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी असाइनमेंट्स अपलोड हो गया, क्लिक दैट वन। शशांक, क्लिक द इंग्लिश। असाइनमेंट के लिए जनवरी जुलाई है, इसी में फर्स्ट पेज है, इसी में फर्स्ट पेज में वेरी क्लियरली मेंशन, इट इज फॉर द जनवरी 2020 एंड जुलाई 2020। इसी में क्वेश्चंस, ईच कोर्स के लिए क्वेश्चंस होता है। आपका स्टडी मटेरियल देखना है, नो नीड टू रिफर एनी अदर बुक्स। आपका स्टडी मटेरियल सिर्फ इट इज सफिशिएंट to write your assignments accordingly, you can write, you can submit। अभी हम क्या किया, अब स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम होता है, स्टूडेंट्स कैन नॉट ट्रैवल टू द स्टडी सेंटर्स। पहले आप स्टडी सेंटर में सबमिट करना है असाइनमेंट्स। अभी क्या किया हमारा ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर एंड द यूनिवर्सिटी अथॉरिटीज, हमारा ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर he told very particularly the students should not suffer। the regional center में regional directors have to take care about the students regarding the even the submission of the assignments। that's why we are taking, assignment should be handwritten, assignment should be handwritten, but you can scan that handwritten assignments and submit through the link। हमारा रीजनल सेंटर मुंबई ऑलरेडी ये लिंक हमारा वेबसाइट में अपलोड किया। अभी हमारा दिस इज RC मुंबई वेबसाइट है, इसी में ई शिक्षा टैब है होम पेज में, क्लिक दैट ई शिक्षा, देन यू कैन शो द असाइनमेंट सबमिशन लिंक। असाइनमेंट सबमिशन करने के लिए ये देखो सबमिशन क्विक लिंक्स है, इसी का नीचे में दिस जुलाई 2020 के लिए असाइनमेंट सबमिशन लिंक है। आप ये क्लिक किया तो आपको पूरा गाइडलाइंस आता है, ऑल हमारा लिंक है, इसी में आप सबमिट कर सकते हैं। नो नीड टू ट्रैवल एनी मोर, नो नीड टू ट्रैवल एनीवेयर, नो नीड टू गो टू द स्टडी सेंटर। हमारा लिंक में आप सबमिट करो, आपको आराम से हम एवोल्यूट करके आपका मार्क्स अपलोड करता हूं। दैट इज द थिंग। असाइनमेंट के लिए एग्जामिनेशन, आप लोगों के लिए एग्जामिनेशन दिसंबर में होता है। आपको 10 अक्टूबर से ऑनलाइन एग्जाम फॉर्म मिलेगा। ऑनलाइन एग्जाम फॉर्म हमारा वेबसाइट में मिलेगा 10 अक्टूबर से। 10 अक्टूबर से आपको फॉर्म मिलेगा। ऑनलाइन में कैसा आप एडमिशन लिया, ऐसा तरफ आप लोगों ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल करके and you can write the examination in the December. My dear students, I am telling you one thing very clearly. If you feel it is very hectic, I am unable to write the examination in this December, you can write in the June. As you are all aware, IGNO conducts the examination twice in a year. दैट इज न जून एंड दैट दिसंबर। अभी इसी सेशन में जून का एग्जामिनेशन अभी करता हूं। अभी सितंबर 17 से स्टार्ट हो गया, अक्टूबर 16 तक चलता है। अगेन वी आर स्टार्टिंग फॉर द डिसंबर एग्जाम्स आल्सो। इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल टू रीड द स्टडी मटेरियल, submit the assignments and all. If you feel it is hectic, then you can write in the June 2021. There is no problem of writing the examination. This is about your examination. Maybe आप assignments, ये भी स्टडी मटेरियल देखने के बाद आप प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आल्सो हमारा वेबसाइट में आए, हमारा वेबसाइट में आए। आप प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आल्सो यू कैन see and prepare for your examination. These are all the information about your studies in the IGNO. आपका examination result also, one greatness I am telling, हमारा honorable vice chancellor has taken very important step. Now the students का examination delay हो गया। अभी क्या हुआ, examination चलता है। In the middle of the examination, last week we started publishing the results of the ongoing examination. Whatever the courses they have already written the examination, इसको जल्दी evaluation complete करके हमारा वेबसाइट में अपलोड किया। because of we are keeping in the view of students should not suffer, whatever it may be, that due to COVID-19 or any other situation, ऐसा IGNO take cares about the students. इसलिए आप लोगों में चिंता नहीं करना है, मीन्स डोंट फील, एंड वी आर हियर टू टेक केयर अबाउट योर स्टडीज। हमारा जनरली रिजल्ट 45 डेज में डिक्लेयर होता है। आप लोगों को सपोज कुछ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी आया, आप लोगों को कुछ व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, एम्प्लॉयमेंट आया, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटी है, तो आपका रिजल्ट ईयरली डिक्लेयर होता है। And also even after getting the marks, आप लोगों नहीं सेटिस्फाई हो गया तो आप लोगों रीएवल्यूशन कर सकते हैं। and even you can take your answer sheet photocopy if you are not satisfied with the term and examination results. These are all the things. Maybe I'm just some of the students are writing, maybe you may be having some other opinion. What I am telling the broad activities. Maybe one or student may हमारा previous student may get the difficulty, maybe some problem arises, but it is not applicable to all. I am telling very confidently, as a IGNO employee, 95% of the students are satisfied with our support services. We are receiving so many appreciation mails from the students. I am telling you, my dear learners, we are trying our level best to provide support services. Our staff, I really appreciate our regional center Mumbai staff. They are putting all their efforts. हमारा first priority student support services है। इसके लिए हमारा all efforts 100% we are giving. Maybe some of the 1 or 2 cases में थोड़ा delay होता है, इसी को आप लोगों थोड़ा excuse means मतलब we are also human being. 1 or 2 cases it may be delayed, that but we are trying to provide you 100% better student support services. This is the thing. You should understand the system, and then I hope you can complete your journey in the IGNO very comfortably. आप लोगों को कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई तो, I am telling you, send the email. rcmumbai@igno.ac.in. But some of the students telling when my marks will update. ऐसा नहीं है. आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिखो, आपका प्रोग्राम लिखो, आपका स्टडी सेंटर का कोड लिखो. सर माई मार्क्स हैव नॉट बीन अपडेटेड, ऐसा लिखो. आप लोगों में तो व्हेन माई एग्जाम, क्या एग्जाम है, आपका प्रोग्राम क्या है, आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर क्या है, हमको चाहिए ना. आई हैव सबमिटेड माई प्रोजेक्ट, रिजल्ट नॉट डिक्लेयर. कौन है आप, आपका डिटेल्स देना है ना. दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट वन. I request all the students while writing your mails to the RC Mumbai, you write your enrollment number, your program code, your study center code. These three only we need, and you write your issue. Maximum we will try to give the reply on the same day before the closing of the office, means before the 6 o'clock. Suppose if you give the after the 6 o'clock, before the 10 o'clock night, even our staff night time also they are giving the reply. Up to the 10 o'clock we are giving the reply. Remaining mails come after the 10 o'clock, mostly it will be given the next day morning replies. This is the system we are following. I'm stopping here. I wish you all the best for all your activities. Please be comfortable, and also आपका प्रोग्राम गाइड है, वट एवर आई टोल्ड द प्रोग्राम गाइड में पूरा है. आपका स्टडीज रिलेटेड योर प्रोग्राम गाइड is your Quran, your program guide is your Bible, your program guide is your Bhagavad Gita related to the studies in the IGNO. You please go through the program guide. Accordingly, you can go ahead related to your studies. I wish you once again all the best. Any issues you are having, the students can ask directly, and you can, anyone want to interact, you can type the your name in the chat box. But before that, I think our staff, Mr. Seshank, has prepared some project related slides. I think he will also show that slides. You also listen that slide, means see that one. After that, we will have the interaction. Okay, thank you one and all. Seshank, you can go ahead with the other activity.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we will start with one small presentation about giving a small information, small information related to certificate programs. We will start the PPT. Okay, so most of the information have already been provided. You all have been informed by our regional director, sir. Just specific to certificate programs, all the certificate programs for which you all have taken admission is a 6-month program. That is, if you have taken admission in July 2020 session, you are supposed to complete your program in 6 months, that is by December 2020. So ideally you should complete your program in 6 months. However, IGNOU provides you maximum duration as well, that is for 2 years in most of certificate programs. If you have joined in July 2020 session, you will get the maximum validity for 2 years. That is, you can complete your program maximum by 2 years. After that, you will not be able to complete your program. So, but generally, we wish that all of you complete your program in 6 months. Again, generally the certificate program is a 16 to 20 credit program. Already sir has informed all about the credit system. We will not go that much into that much detail for that. Second, just one small slide about the number of courses you have in the in your program. Total there are 17 programs. We have called today the learners of 17 programs, 17 certificate programs. It is CAFE, CBS, CCP, CDM, CES, CFN, all have been listed. Now, the total number of courses you have to complete in this in your program, total number of courses, that is total number of subjects you have to complete in your program have already been listed. That is total courses. Like for CAFE, you have 4 courses to complete. CBS may you have again 4 courses to complete. CDM, CCP may 4 courses, CDM may 2 courses. All that list again. All these slides will be forwarded to you through email, as already our sir has informed. Now, this slide may what is important is practical and project course. There are 4 programs which we will like to highlight. The programs is one is CBS, another one is CCP, third one is CES, and the fourth one is CIT. Now, CBS may and CIT may, that is Certificate in Business Skills and Certificate in Information Technology. In these both programs, both of you have one practical course, that is CITL 01. Now, what basically in practical course you have practical sessions, and then you have term and practical examination. Now, please remember that for attending the practical examination, the attendance should be more than 75%. So, as sir already told that it is not compulsory to attend the counseling sessions, it is not compulsory to attend the theory counseling sessions. However, practical counseling sessions attendance is compulsory. So whenever you get the schedule for counseling sessions, please check that you do not have any practical counseling session. If you have any practical counseling session, make sure that you attend the practical session. Apart from that, it comes for CES and CCP. Now, the certificate in consumer protection and certificate in environmental studies. Now, both these programs have three theory courses, that is theory subjects, and the last one is project. So CCP में it is CPIP 104 is one project work, and CES में PES 01 is one project course. Now इसके लिए next slide में though the number of students in these 2 courses are less, but everybody should know, because most of the times students comes after January, February, and they ask for the certificate, and in most of cases they are unaware of the project work which they had to complete. Now, already we have informed that attendance in practical session is compulsory, failing which you will not be allowed to attend the term and practical examination. So please make sure that you attend the practical sessions whenever it is conducted by the study center. Second point is for project work. Now, the students of CES and CCP should contact their study center for a project supervisor or project guide. Now, this guide is going to help you for preparing the project work. Now, there are 3 simple steps. First thing, you have to prepare a synopsis, that is called as project proposal. 400-500 words का project proposal बनता है 6-7 pages में. You have to prepare. You have to submit it under the guidance of your project supervisor, of course. Then after preparing that synopsis, submit the project proposal to your project guide. Your project guide only will approve the synopsis. Once your project guide approve the synopsis, you have to start preparing the final project work, again under the guidance of your project supervisor. Prepare the final project work, attach all the annexures. There are number of annexures A, B, and C. Everywhere your guide will sign, and then finally submit your final project to Registrar Student Evaluation, IGNOU Maidangadi, New Delhi. Now, all these details which I have told just now are available in your project manual. So, after completion of this meeting, better you all visit your project manual. Apart from that, all the students apart from CCP and CES, I think already our regional director sir has informed that you all should go through your program guide once. The program guide is available at number of sources. Even if you Google type, if you type CES program guide IGNOU, if you type CFN program guide IGNOU, automatically you will get the program guide even through Google. So just go through your program guide once. All the details which have been provided to you today are all available at in your program guide. Now, especially for the students who have to submit their project, ideally you are supposed to get your synopsis or project proposal approved by October end. So 7-8 pages ka project proposal you have to prepare. and get it approved by October end, ideally. And then finally, you have to submit your final project report. 3,000 to 4,000 words का final project report होता है, that you have to submit by November 2020. So these are the ideal dates. Any extensions will of course be updated at website. Now, assignment submission, I think already sir has informed, and we had also shared the screen, and it was the notice was given. However, again, this link we have given. Once you click this link, automatically you will get that particular notice from where you have to submit the assignments. As of now, last date to submit the assignment is 31st October. So just wait, start writing, at least start writing your assignments. In case there is any extension, you all will be informed through website. Keep on checking the website for updation. Now, activities to be completed. In short, through all this induction meeting, what you should learn and what you should understand is that you have to submit the assignment by October 2020. As of now, it is 31st October is last date. You have to submit the examination form. Examination fees is rupees 150 per subject. You have to submit the examination form. Maybe in this month only the examination form will start. You have to fill that examination form, and then you have to give the examination in December 2020. Your here we have written first semester. It is 6 certificate program only. So all your exams will be in December 2020, and you have to submit your project reports, if any, by the end of November. So this is the important slide. What all activities you have to perform. October and November are most important months because there are time limits. The dates are being given. Now, contact details. Now, email ID of regional center is given in this slide. That is rcmumbai@ignou.ac.in. Now, email ID and contact details, and when is your study center opening? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like sir has already informed, 20 hours per week it will open. So, on which date, on which day, how many hours it is being opened or not? All those details are given in this particular link. Once you click this link, you will get the email ID, the contact number, and the opening times of your study center. Now, email ID of your program coordinator is available in common prospectus. The program coordinator who sits at New Delhi. And the most important thing that most of the time, as sir was also informing you all, that most of the time students come and say we do not get updation for assignment submission, for examination form submission, for examination, writing the examination. See, already the regional center is conducting this induction meeting for 3 hours. Already we are giving every information to all the learners. So we expect that you all remember these details. Apart from that, any very important updation is sent to you through email or SMS. Otherwise, make a habit to visit the regional center website, that is rcmumbai.ignou.ac.in. Make a habit to visit the regional center website, especially the notice board and e-Shiksha tab. You will get to know all the updates, and also follow the Facebook page, because as sir was telling that this sessions being conducted by RC Hyderabad or RC Delhi, they all are being updated at headquarter Facebook page. We have regional center ka Facebook page also, and the main IGNOU website, main IGNOU University ka also Facebook page we have. All those sessions are being updated. So this was all about the presentation for certificate programs. We will be taking the questions from the learners, those who have to ask any question. Yes, another thing, this registration details में registration enrollment number reflect नहीं हो रहा है. Already sir has already informed, if you have received your enrollment number, it means your admission is confirmed. No need to worry. After some time, it will be updated in registration details also. Now, number of students, they are asking that unka ID card they are not able to download. See, you have to use your user ID and password only to download your ID card. In case you are not able to log in, but there might be some issue in your user ID or password. However, you can send email to us at rcmumbai@ignou.ac.in. At least we can send the ID card to you. ID card regional center can give you. Material के लिए already sir has informed that study material is already being dispatched, has already been started to dispatch. Even we are receiving some return parcels, and whomever return parcels we are receiving, email is being sent to the learners on the same day. If you have not received, you will be receiving soon because yours is certificate program. Till then, use soft copy only for the material. Now, one by one, you can ask the questions, but for asking the question, you have to write your name in the chat box, and we will call a name one by one. Please, जिसका नाम हम call out करेंगे, they only have to unmute their mic. Apart from that, nobody should unmute their mic. Last May, before starting with names, just one important thing. We were just going with the chats. You all are creating WhatsApp groups. It is good because for sharing information, if somebody gets some information, they should share with other colleagues or the classmates as well. But please do not believe blindly on these WhatsApp groups. Most of the time students send email that WhatsApp में मुझे ऐसा ऐसा बोला था. Please, it is just for information you create. You can create. Regional Center does not interfere or does not participate in any WhatsApp group. Any WhatsApp group में you are joining, nobody you will find any regional center or study center staff. It is all created by the students. So in future, if you have any query, any doubt कि ये है ये सही है कि नहीं, always visit the website or send email. If you receive email or if anything is uploaded on website, that notice or that information only is authenticated. That is the last thing I wanted to inform. Now we will go with name. Dr. Narendra Yadav is asking, is this there any group for CLTA? I think already I have answered. Next is Ami. Ami Nhavkar. Your mic is not unmuted. Okay, we will go for next then. Umera Meman.
Oh, yes, sir. Hello, sir.
हाँ
This is
बोलिए.
Umaira Memon. Sir, I am unable to download the e-content IGNO app for the soft copy of the notes. So, can you help me with that?
Madam, if your phone is Apple, well, that is iPhone, that you will
Yeah.
not be able to download. That
Okay.
IGNOI content app is not available at Apple or iPhone.
Okay.
If you do not have Android phone, you can always visit egyancoach.ac.in. Whether it is
E-Gyan
Android
course.
or yeah, I will just type it in chat box. You all can
Yeah, yeah.
copy that link.
Okay.
egyancoach.ac.in. Whether it is
Okay.
Android or Apple iPhone, you can
Okay.
get the material there.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, one more question. Sorry, sir.
हाँ
सर,
हाँ.
जो असाइनमेंट्स सबमिट करने हैं वो फुल स्केप पेपर में ही सबमिट करने हैं या कोई भी पेपर में चलेगा?
It is for any type of paper you can use except color paper. It should not be color
ओके.
paper.
ओके. ओके सर.
Okay.
ओके. थैंक यू.
Then next is Saurabh Sabharwal.
Hi, मैं अभी I just went through the details that you and sir shared with us. I also am a student of CUL. I have then checked the assignments. They are currently all in Urdu language. I am somebody who's wanting to learn the language. I'm finding it a little difficult how to proceed.
Okay, so means you don't know Urdu.
Yeah,
Uh, okay, just let me check once, please.
sure.
You can give the program coordinator email ID
Okay, sir.
that they can contact them directly.
Okay, okay. So, Saurabh, I am writing the email ID of program coordinator, who is the program coordinator for certificate in Urdu language, sits at IGNU New Delhi. I'm writing his email ID. You can contact him.
That'll be great. Thank you.
At, yes, I have written it in the chat box. You can note it down.
Got it. Thank you.
Then Siddhesh Bhor.
Hello.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Yeah, my doubt is like for CES, I guess I am alone over here. So like, how will I know who is my program guide? And apart from that, I went through the site. So on there, I didn't found any assignments for like CES. It was for 2019 to 2020.
नहीं, आप CES का असाइनमेंट आपको मिला?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
CES नहीं, CES का असाइनमेंट है ना. इट इज देयर फॉर 19 एंड 20.
1920 वाला बैच है. ओके.
हाँ,
तो वही
इट
करना
इज
है.
देयर. इट इज नहीं, इट इज फॉर जनवरी 2020. आपका फिर अपडेट होगा CES का,
हाँ,
आप वेट कर लीजिए.
बिकॉज आपने
इट
वही
विल बी
कहा.
अपडेटेड. हाँ.
Okay. Or what about the project? Project. I didn't got the point actually. Like who will be the program guide and what all the things are there?
No, your program guide you will get from your study. What is your study center?
KJ Somya.
हाँ, KJ Somaya में already we have given the contact details.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can contact them through email, or you can just visit once at KJ Somaya College. You
Okay.
can get program guide. There are a number of counselors. Anybody can guide you.
Okay. Sure.
But please remember, everything you only have to do. So better you
Yeah,
first
yeah,
read the project manual, get the
definitely.
idea about what topic you are going to choose. So first prepare the topic, prepare the idea, and then go to the project guide.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Uh, Next is Sajan Kamble.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपको कोई क्वेरी है?
No, sir.
Okay. Then Sana, CP Sana.
Hello.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. So actually, my query is for CFN. Me and one of my friend have took admission back January 2020 for CFN. लेकिन उसका we have filled the exam form also, and the
Sorry?
fee was also deducted for the exam form. We have filled the form for the examination,
हाँ.
and the fees was also deducted. But we didn't we were not able to give the examination this September because when we searched for our enrollment number, it showed that it doesn't exist. So we have to give this December na for the next
Yeah,
examination.
I think you were eligible definitely. I don't know why. Means we can check, but you were eligible for September examination. If you have not
Yeah.
appeared, that
Huh.
fees automatically will be transferred for December examination.
Okay. So what will be the date to fill
No,
the
the
examination
hall
form
ticket,
again?
the hall tick, the no, you do not have to fill the examination form again. It will be automatically shifted for December examinations. You will get your hall ticket again in the last week of November. Hello. 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 Okay. I think का connection lost हो गया. But
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
हेलो सर. हाँ सर, कनेक्शन वाज लॉस्ट. आपने क्या बोला?
हाँ नहीं, that fees will automatically be shifted to December exams. No need to
ओके
pay again. हाँ,
ओके ओके
just okay.
ओके सर. सो फीस का तो कोई इशू नहीं है सर, बट एक्चुअली वो अगेन वी हैव टू फिल दैट एग्जाम फॉर्म ना फॉर
नहीं
CFN.
नहीं, वही मैंने बोला,
ओके.
आपको फिर से
हाँ हाँ.
एग्जाम फॉर्म नहीं भरना है.
ओके, बिकॉज मैंने मेल भी किया था जब फर्स्ट टाइम एग्जाम फॉर्म फिल करने का ईमेल आया था ना, तो मैंने
हाँ हाँ
एग्जाम फॉर्म फिल किया. बट उसके बाद जब
हाँ.
चेक किया स्टेटस कि एग्जाम फॉर्म फिल हो चुका है, हॉल टिकट्स और आईडी के लिए चेक किया तो डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट बताया. तो
अगर
मैंने
आपका
अगेन.
फीस
हाँ
पे नहीं दिख रहा है, नहीं मैं आपको
हाँ
बता रहा हूँ, अगर आपका
हाँ
फीस आपने पे किया था
हाँ
लेकिन
हाँ.
अगर वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली फीस रिसीव नहीं हुई होगी. और अगर
ओके
फीस रिसीव नहीं हुई है तब आपको फीस भरना है वापस.
ओके. तो ये एक्चुअली जब हमने पे किया था ना, तो सिर्फ वो बैंक डिटेल्स वगैरह जो लिख कर आता है ना, तो वो हमने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था.
अच्छा, तो नहीं, अगर आपका फीस रिसीव नहीं हुआ है तो आपको फिर से
No,
पे
एक
करना
minute,
पड़ेगा.
Shashank.
Yes, sir.
ये दिखा रहा था does not
I
exist.
think no. Actually, the certificate program के लिए already the examinations. If you have joined in the January, you are eligible
Yes, sir.
to write the examination in the September.
Yes, sir.
If your enrollment number not exist in the checking of the hall ticket portal,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
means आपका fees हमको नहीं मिला.
Okay.
Okay, that is the main problem. You please contact your bank. Okay,
Okay, bank. Okay.
if the money is deducted from your account, submit
Okay.
the statement to the हमको submit करो. We will follow up and we will allow you for the December.
Okay.
Generally, the fees might have not been deducted. That's why you didn't get the hall ticket.
Okay.
आप आपका बैंक से बात करके डिडक्शन हो गया तो you submit the proof of the deduction.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
you have to repay. Again, you have to pay. The form will be available from the 10th October onwards. 10th
Okay,
October
sir.
onwards in our website, igno.ac.in. You can
Okay.
fill the online form. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. जो भी रहेगा, we will message or mail you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hello.
The next
Next is I don't know. Students have written their program code, so we are not calling them. Bushra Chaudhary.
Sir, Kavita.
Bushra Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपका query
Hello.
पूछ लीजिए. Yes, you can ask.
Sir, I'm enrolled in CIT July 2020 session, but I wish to appear in June 2021 examination. So when do I submit the assignments and exam form filling?
Yes, for if you want to appear in June 2021, submit the assignments in March 2021, and examination form also in March 2021.
And the practical sessions will be according to?
Practical sessions will be organized. You will receive the email for the schedule.
That I can attend now only, I guess.
Yes, you can attend. You can attend now also. Otherwise, later on. But if you attend later on, you will have to pay the pro rata fee. Better you attend now only.
Okay, means I have to attend the practicals now, and for the submission of assignment and exam filling, I have to do that for June session examination.
June session. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Next is Mithili. For CTE program, can assignment be scanned with a mobile scanner like CAM scanner or alternatives? Yes, you can use any type of mobile scanner. You have to, in fact, better you use the mobile scanner only, and accordingly you can submit the assignments.
Okay, thank you for that. I just have one more query, sir. I went through my assignment list on the website, and it said that the last date for submission of assignment for December exam is 30th of September, which has come and gone. So has the assignments now going to be reflected like 31st of October, or have I missed the deadline?
No, it has already been extended up to 31st October.
Okay,
You can
thank you. I
submit up
just
to
wanted to
31st
confirm that.
October.
Thank you very much.
Next is Kavita Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, madam, बोलिए.
Sir, I have taken admission for MSc DFSM and CFN both. And for MSc DFSM, I have taken it through Nagpur Center. So for that, as you told me in the last session, I have sent mail to RC Nagpur and I have kept RC Mumbai in CC. For the transfer of my MSc DFSM from Nagpur to Mumbai.
Yes.
So now, since you are telling about the assignments and the exam form filling, so how will this my transfer has to be done first, then I will go for the assignments for MSc DFSM because the RC Nagpur have not yet conducted any induction.
What I am telling, madam, CFN you are under Mumbai, no issues.
CFN,
MSc, MSc DFSM ka nobody has conducted because the examination is still going on. So the admission is still going on. Once the admission gets over after 15th October, then only induction for MSc DFSM will be conducted. That you can attend at RC Nagpur. Apart from that, for regional center transfer, the regional center will be transferred in the month of November only. So once
Okay.
get your induction done at Nagpur and get transferred to Mumbai in the month of November.
Okay, so the transfer will happen in November.
Yes.
But for because of that, I there is no delay in assignments or exam, nothing, because
So
you as you are
MSc
telling.
DFSM का assignment you have to submit in March or April.
ओके, मार्च और अप्रैल में होता है, ठीक है ठीक है.
Yes. Yes.
And CFN, I have sent a mail, as you told me last time, that send a mail to CSR. So I have sent a mail to them for change of name on my ID card, because my admission has been confirmed. I have received the enrollment number, but ID card पे name गलत है. तो उसके लिए मैंने आपने बताया था वैसे मेल सेंड किया है. तो when will that happen? Like expected कब है मेल
Okay.
सेंड
See,
करने के बाद?
that time we had informed you, expecting that as your admission has been just now confirmed, so they only can edit the form. So as they have not edited the form, it means you will have to submit the application at Regional Center Mumbai for correction in your name.
Okay, and one more, sir.
For the
sir.
change of, no, 1 minute, for the change of the name, we
Okay.
will take the applications as per the your 10th class certificate.
Okay.
Okay, if you change the name later after the marriage or whatever it may be, that one, you have to submit the documents, particularly your marriage certificate and the gazette notification.
Okay.
Gazette notification of the change of the name. Without that
sir.
documents, it will not be processed. Only as per your 10th class certificate, whatever the name is there, it will be printed on your certificate.
Sir, my 10th class. Okay.
Yeah, बताओ.
So I think some error has happened from my side while filling the form. So
Yeah,
instead
yeah.
of my name, my husband's name is being reflected on the ID card.
That
So
we can change. That we can change.
so husband's name is being reflected. So that's why if they are capturing 10th class certificate name, then that's okay.
No, no. Suppose after admissions, only the changes will be done at the regional center level.
Okay,
I think
sir.
maybe CSRC now they will not do any editing, all the things. They will confirm the admission. After that, you have to submit the documents at the regional.
So I'll send a mail to regional center with the again my
Now
10th
it will not be.
certificate.
That's what we are telling. Now still admissions are going on.
Okay.
Once the admissions are over, then only we are able to correct in your name.
Okay. So but when should I send the mail again? I mean, expecting date. When should I
No, that's
send?
what I done. Next month, may you have to send.
Next month I should send. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, that's it, sir. Thank you. And one more doubt I have. In eGyan Kosh, if we search for CFN notes, then it shows sub-community CFN. That is the self-learning material, right? Which we have to download.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Shashank, go ahead.
Yes, Sonia Anand.
Yes, sir.
आपका कुछ आप बता रही हैं DNHE का एडमिशन कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला है आपको?
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली CNF में और दोनों ने एक सेम डे सेम डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट किया था एंड बट स्ट्रेंजली व्हाट हैपेंड एग्जैक्टली DNHE का अभी भी मुझे पेंडिंग दिखा रहा है बिकॉज शोइंग की कहते कि आपका मदर नेम एंड कहते हस्बैंड नेम इज नॉट सेम एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट लगाने का, बट दोनों में सेम ही डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट किया था मैंने. तो हाउ कुड बी मतलब लाइक शोइंग वहाँ पर कंफर्मेशन नहीं हुआ है.
आपका नाम लेकिन चेंज हुआ है ना?
नो सर, तो वहाँ पर भी सेम ही लगाया था ना. CNF में मैंने सेम ही डॉक्यूमेंट लगाए हैं और मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट भी लगाया हुआ है मैंने. अभी आई डोंट नो, मतलब मुझे आई रिसीव अ मेल. एंड सेकंड मुझे एक चीज और भी पूछनी थी कि अगर ये सपोज अभी तो इसमें कंफर्मेशन ही नहीं दिखा रहा है मुझे, तो अगर वहाँ के प्रोसेस चालू हुए हैं एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स असाइनमेंट्स वगैरह, तो वो कैसे करेंगे सर?
कौन से प्रोग्राम का आप बोल रही हैं?
DNHE का बोल रही हूँ सर. अभी CNF का तो मुझे क्लियर हो गया.
कंट्रोल नंबर बता दीजिए DNHE का.
एक मिनट होल्ड करेगा सर.
ठीक है, आप ले लीजिए तब तक हम मे बी.
दैट नंबर इज 2020.
हाँ.
20166.
हाँ.
792S.
आपका सोनी आनंद सोनोने, they
Right.
have given some discrepancy that your name, surname, parents name does not match with your mark sheet.
Right.
10 plus
So
2 में
market
your
was.
name is Sony Singh and you have
Mm-hmm.
written Sony Anand Sonone. Okay, so
Sir, after marriage is changed, ना, तो marriage certificate मैंने लगाया हुआ है वहाँ पर वैसे कर.
एक सेकेंड में देख लेता हूँ. आपने मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट DNHE में लगाया है?
I think so लगाया हुआ है. जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आए सारे लगाए हुए हैं वहाँ
नहीं,
पर मैंने.
आपका DNHE में मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट नहीं लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा, एंड यहाँ पर लगा हुआ है अपना कहते हैं इसमें
हाँ, तो
CNF में
आप
लगा हुआ है.
क्या लगा हुआ है, आप सिर्फ एक काम कर दीजिए, आपका मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट आज ही भेज दीजिए, बल्कि अभी भेज दीजिए कंट्रोल नंबर के साथ, तो वो अपलोड करके कंफर्म कर देंगे एडमिशन.
ठीक है, नो वरी. इंटरेस्ट बाकी प्रोसेस
DNHE
कैसे
का
रहेगा फिर आगे का
आपका
पता चले?
हाँ, और DNHE का अलग एक इंडक्शन भी होगा आपका, अब उसमें चाहे तो उसमें भी आ सकती है.
नहीं, लेकिन सर वो जो बाकी का प्रोसेस अगर इतने टाइम से निकला बिकॉज कंफर्मेशन से नहीं हुआ है तो वो अभी आगे लेंगे, कैसे कंसीडर करेंगे लाइक?
हाँ, आप पहले भेज दीजिए मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट, कंफर्मेशन हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में आपका इंडक्शन भी हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
देन अमी नॉट वर्किंग.
नहीं, हेलो हेलो सर.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
हाँ सर, वो मुझे वही जानना था कि एक्चुअली मैं जुलाई में जून या जुलाई में एग्जाम देना चाहती हूँ, तो असाइनमेंट में मुझे मार्च में ही सबमिट करना है ना, उसके पहले नहीं सबमिट करना है ना?
आप करने को अभी भी कर सकती हैं अक्टूबर सेशन में भी, लेकिन
अच्छा.
अगर आप
हाँ.
देना चाहें तो मार्च और अप्रैल में भी कर सकती हैं.
नहीं मतलब ये जो अभी असाइनमेंट अपलोडेड है वो मेरे लिए वैलिड नहीं होगा ना अगर मुझे मार्च में
नहीं
सबमिट करना है तो?
नहीं, आपको अगर मार्च अप्रैल में सबमिट कर रही हैं तो आपको
हाँ.
जनवरी 2021 बैच का असाइनमेंट करना पड़ेगा.
जनवरी 2021 बैच का.
हाँ.
ओके ओके. और मार्च में ही मुझे एग्जाम फॉर्म फिल करना है ना? अगर
हाँ,
मुझे
मार्च
मार्च
में एग्जाम
मतलब
फॉर्म, जून में अगर
तभी
एग्जाम
अगर
देना है तो
एग्जाम
मार्च
देना
अप्रैल में
है
आपको एग्जाम फॉर्म देना है.
ओके ओके. क्योंकि मेरा दिसंबर में दूसरा एग्जाम होने वाला है इग्नू के साथ ही, तो इसलिए मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं जुलाई में जून में एग्जाम दे दूँ.
ठीक है.
ओके ओके सर, उतना ही पूछना था.
बेला अगलावे, CLIS.
Yes. Sir, myself Bela Aglave. I registered myself for certificate in library and information science. And in your website, I searched for a regional center for that and some Seva Southern College, Ullasnagar. Right. And I have contacted there, but no one is picking up the phone and means कुछ भी वहाँ से हमको response नहीं मिल रहा है. So can you just provide means I just wanted to know who's the program guide and name and contact number.
नहीं, देखिए आपका CLIS में तो कोई प्रोग्राम गाइड होता नहीं है, मतलब प्रोग्राम गाइड मतलब प्रोजेक्ट गाइड का जरूरत नहीं होता है. आपके एकेडमिक काउंसलर जरूर होते हैं. अभी एकेडमिक काउंसलर जितने भी हैं उनका लिस्ट ऑलरेडी हमारे रीजनल सेंटर मुंबई की वेबसाइट पे अपलोड किया हुआ है. उस वेबसाइट में आप उस फाइल में आपको आपके एकेडमिक काउंसलर का ईमेल आईडी और बाकी डिटेल्स, नाम वगैरह सब आपको उसमें मिल जाएगा, तो आप उस ईमेल को डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
सर वो डॉक्टर बीना का नाम दिया हुआ है उसमें एंड शी इज अ प्रिंसिपल टू सेवा सदन कॉलेज.
हाँ.
सो क्या मैं डायरेक्टली उनको मेल कर सकती हूँ?
आप उनको मेल कर दीजिए, नहीं तो BLIS के भी कई सारे काउंसलर्स हैं, आप उनको भी मेल कर सकती हैं.
ओके सर. और सर ये मेरा सॉफ्ट कॉपी के लिए मुझे अभी तक कुछ ईमेल मिला नहीं है इसके लिए.
ऑलरेडी मैडम, सर ने ऑलरेडी बताया, सॉफ्ट कॉपी अगर आपने ऑप्ट किया है यू विल नॉट रिसीव एनी ईमेल और एनी SMS एंड ऑल. यू योरसेल्फ हैव टू डाउनलोड द मटेरियल. या तो आप इग्नू ई कंटेंट ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए एंड्रॉइड फोन में, या तो ई ज्ञान कोश वेबसाइट है, उस पे जाके आप मटेरियल ले सकती हैं अपना, वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा आपको सॉफ्ट कॉपी.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
Sir, this is Tamil this side. Actually, I have taken admission in month of August और मुझे acknowledgement भी आ गया था IGNOU के साइट से with all the details. When I'm trying to log in now with the help of the control number, but it is not happening. I don't know why it is showing that Like the enrollment number, the login input is incorrect.
नहीं, उसमें आपको कंट्रोल नंबर नहीं, एनरोलमेंट नंबर से लॉगिन करना होता है, पहली चीज।
Enrollment
दूसरी
number
चीज, अगर आप एनरोलमेंट नंबर से भी लॉगिन करेंगी तो जस्ट नाउ वी हैव ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म मैडम ड्यूरिंग द इंडक्शन कि वो अभी लॉगिन किसी का भी नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो अंडर अपडेशन है। आपको नंबर मिल गया है, मतलब एडमिशन कंफर्म है। आप सारी अपनी एकेडमिक एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट कर लीजिए, असाइनमेंट लिखना, बाकी सारी एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट कर लीजिए। वो थोड़ी दिनों बाद अपडेट हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली।
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Shazia Plaster wala, I haven't received enrollment number. Madam, if you can tell your control number, we can definitely tell your enrollment number. But for that, also tell your program.
Now, if the student is not responding, you go to the next student.
Okay. Ravindra Giri.
No, any student, if you are not having any doubt, you can leave the meeting. There is no problem.
Yes,
The students, those
now
who want to interact, they only be here. And if you are not having any doubt, if you don't want any clarity, you can leave the meeting. You can do your activities. There is no problem.
Okay. So, sir, all the names we have column.
Already.
There was yes,
Sir?
there is one student for MPS program, but उनका induction हम बाद में लेंगे, so maybe we
Okay,
can
no
solve later
problem.
on.
What is the issue? Ask.
I have enrolled in July 2020. I didn't find assignment for July 2020. There is only okay, madam. If you are not finding for July 2020 assignment, then just wait for some time. Maybe by 31st October,
No,
July 2020.
because of your examination will be in the June 2021. आप assignment submit करना है March 2021 में. That's why maybe now they are uploading the assignments of the certificate program and the semester based programs. Because of you are having the time, maybe next month may they will upload it.
सर
Okay.
सर
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए
सर
बोलिए।
CAFE के कोर्स के लिए कोई प्रोग्राम गाइड या प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर का ईमेल एड्रेस मिल सकता है सर?
मैं एक तो प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर का आपको ईमेल एड्रेस टाइप कर देता हूं अभी। वो
हाँ
सारे
सर।
प्रोस्पेक्टस में भी अवेलेबल हैं, आप लोग प्रोस्पेक्टस भी रेफर कर सकते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट,
अच्छा अच्छा
काउंसलर्स जो हैं, काउंसलर्स का लिस्ट ऑलरेडी वेबसाइट पे अपलोड है। ई शिक्षा टैब में,
हाँ
जैसे अभी बता रहे थे सर भी, ई शिक्षा टैब में
हाँ
आपको
हाँ
सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ये सारी मिल जाएंगी।
अच्छा सर।
I think for this program only 2 students.
I think I thought that I was the only one because
Yeah,
no
only
one is
2
replying in
students.
the
One more
chat.
student is there, but he might have not presented. You are only the 2 students. And another program CCP, Consumer Protection के लिए only 1 student आए. Certificate in Business Skills के लिए only 3 students आए. Certificate in Environment Science CES के लिए only 2 students आए. Certificate in Guidance में only 4 students आए. Certificate in Rural Development only 1 student आए. Certificate in teaching English, that is okay, good number only. Certificate in tourism studies also only the 4 students.
Okay, so
Only
I and one more student is there for CAFE.
yeah, we are having more students for the CFN. 61 students are there. CLTA also 40 students.
Hey.
CNCC there are 18 students. Certificate in Human Rights there are 12 students. Other programs के लिए less than 10. That's why whatever the WhatsApp group you are preparing, that is to share your internal information related to the studies. We will not share anything. We will not participate in your WhatsApp group में from the regional center side. We will upload the things in the website and we will send the emails to the students and we will post the important information in the Facebook. Okay, Sishan, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, as all the queries have been
No, hey, look, why you are again confusing? This student is someone is typing that one. Sir, I joined the program CFN. The last date was September 31st. So in session that they are writing, I am telling you, I don't know, the students are getting lot of tension and thinking more. I am telling you, as a regional director, I am the head in this regional center. As a regional director, I told you very clearly the last date for the submission of the assignment is 31st October 2020. You follow the words. नो नीड टू सी ये असाइनमेंट में 30 सितंबर को लिखा, अभी आपको 31 अक्टूबर को बोला, whether it is the correct or not. I'm telling directly, regional director is telling to you 31st October 2020 is the last date. That is the final. Before that, what happened due to the COVID-19, the all the activities a little postponed. As per the regular dates, the last date for the submission of the assignment for December is the 30th September 2020. That is the standard date. Now the situation is different. I'm telling, don't see here and there and don't get confused. already circular upload किया, आपका पूरा guidelines हमारा website में upload किया. I'm telling, don't think much. The regional center will take care about your studies. आप क्या करना है, आप हमारा instructions and the guidelines follow करना है as per the dates. हम बोला 31st October. इधर regional center only responsible for that one. आप assignment submit करने के लिए कोई object किया 31st October को आप submit करना है, आप जाके और online में आपको कुछ नहीं मिला, you can ask me, you can question me. Sir, आप बोला 31st October, but it is not working, they are not taking like that, you can ask me. I am the responsible. There is no problem. My dear learners, I request, please don't take much tensions. I'm telling, 31st October is the last date for submission of assignment. Whatever they have written on the assignment का ऊपर है, आप please remember 31st October 2020 is the last date for submission of the assignments, and we are going to conduct your sessions next week onwards. आपका counseling sessions also भी organize करता है आपका study center में through online we are going to conduct it. Okay? Yeah, Shashank, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just last 3 doubts. Bushra Chaudhary is writing question paper for January 2021 assignment will be same as October. Already we have informed कि January 2021, that is if you are submitting in March or April, the question paper will be different. Question paper के ऊपर ही लिखा रहता है वो कौन से सेशन के लिए है. अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर में जनवरी 2021 लिखा हुआ है तो आप वो असाइनमेंट मार्च या अप्रैल में सबमिट कर सकती हैं. अदरवाइज नया अपलोड होगा.
It is written as assignment for July 2020 and January 2021. So it will be valid.
Yes, that one you can submit in April or March.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Then Neha Jadhav, I have a query about receiving syllabus. I opted for soft copy or hard copy now. No, once you opted for soft copy, the university has given you 15% discount on program fees. So that cannot be changed, or you cannot receive the hard copy now. You will have to refer the soft copy only.
Okay.
Okay, then Kunjan Bajaj, I have query, can I change my study center? It is up to the program, madam. What is your program? Okay, anyhow, but generally certificate programs में there are specific centers only. CFN में no need to change. It is there is one center only. So
no, what study center she want? No, presently you have been allotted KJ Somaya.
So she wants to change regional center.
No, regional center you can change it. There is no problem.
Yes, yes. Regional center you can change. You have to send email to us in the month of November again. And when you send email in November, that will be changed to, I think, RC Pune. You will get regional center Pune. Accordingly, wherever there is study center, you will be allotted the study center also.
अभी we cannot change. अभी दिया तो.
No, sir, it is not being reflected in registration portal. That is why
Okay,
it
okay,
cannot be
okay,
changed.
okay, okay.
Uh,
And someone is asking library science के लिए only 5 students. Library science के लिए 5 student है. आपका study center I think सेवा सदन college only ना.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank
only
you so
5
much.
students. Only 5 students.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Then Monali Hangde for MA Political Science. I have gone through the syllabus. I need some help, like there is any audio video session on the subject. Regarding this, reading the study material continuously for understanding the topic is difficult. Can you guide me on this?
Anyhow, we are going to conduct the sessions
yes,
through online. आप थोड़ा वेट करना है. पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लिए आपका ईयरली प्रोग्राम. पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज द ईयरली प्रोग्राम. आपका सेशंस थोड़ा लेट में स्टार्ट होता है. ओनली मे बी इन लास्ट वीक ऑफ द नवंबर. उसी टाइम आप इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं आपका एकेडमिक काउंसलर से. अभी देर इज नो audio video cassette available because of it is the political science. Generally I think you are the first student asking for the audio video. Just however we will find out with the Delhi concerned program coordinator. If any already recorded version, then we will get and we will give to you. Yeah, next देखो.
Yes, sir. I think all the queries. Kirti Mudgal, please help. I am totally confused. How many digits are in enrollment number? Enrollment number is for 10 digits. With 2002 or 2003, it will start. Okay. Okay. So I think, sir, all the queries have been sorted. Whatever have been asked through chat or through in person.
Okay, then good.
So
Yeah,
maybe
if there is no issue, you can close. Anyhow, I wish you all the best, my dear learners. आप लोगों, there is no need to take any tension. I'm telling we are all here to help you to provide student support services. I request all the students, please send the email rcmumbai@igno.ac.in. आपका कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आपका स्टडी सेंटर का डिटेल्स भी है. देर इज ऑल्सो देर इज नो इश्यू. आपको ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग सेशंस ये भी हम ऑर्गेनाइज करता हूँ. आप अटेंड करो, आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो. नहीं है तो देर इज नो कंपल्सरी टू अटेंड द थ्योरी सेशन. प्रैक्टिकल के लिए अटेंड करना है. एंड ऑल्सो रीजनल सेंटर विल टेक केयर अबाउट द थिंग्स and take care about your health, your family health. Be safe. Support the government to maintain the healthy India. And also the IGNO is all the time student friendly. Feel it is your university, it is our university, it is the nation university. That's why we call it as a people's university. Our staff also they are very sincere and hardworking all the time. They are ready to provide you support services. I once again wish you all the best. Thank you, one and all. I think Sishan, you can
yes,
finally
yes, sir.
close.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. I once again thank all the learners who were present. We hope that this induction will be successful and you all have come to know a lot of details, and we wish that your journey in IGNOU is smooth and you all get your degree at the earliest, the minimum duration. And then I thank our regional director, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, to be here today and guiding the learners and us also for conducting this induction meeting. Thank you very much, sir. Now, with your permission, we will close the session.
Yes, you can close it.
Thank you, sir.